Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to download and install Fabric for Minecraft 1.2.1.6. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fast tech tips. Let's jump right in. First, grab the Fabric installer, click the link in the description, download the Universal JAR file, and move it to your desktop from your downloads. Next, get the Fabric API for extra mod support, use the link in the description, select 1.2.1.6, and download it. Drag that file to your desktop too. Before installing, close your Minecraft launcher and ensure you've played 1.2.1.6 at least once. Double-click the Fabric installer, choose 1.2.1.6, and hit Install. If it won't open, install Java 21. After installation, click OK, then close the installer. Feel free to delete it from your desktop. Open the Minecraft launcher, go to Installations, select Modded. Hover and open the folder, then create a mods folder if it's missing. Copy past the Fabric API, and that's it. You've successfully set up Fabric for Minecraft 1.2.1.6. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.